Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was the day we waited for the whole week. Great move down, at least 5 points, right? So this is what we waited for today, uh, and this is what you have to be patient for. So intraday, I'm gonna show you in the 30-minute first actually, and then the 5, and then the oh my god, install and quit. Okay, so what happened was, right, we were just um from yesterday, right? I said if we needed to see that move, right, we would have seen some type of inverse cup close, right? So what happened was because of AM opening, because of the news, we actually opened way lower, right? So uh, the market was just in deep selling, um, right? So we were in this very strong selling, right? So automatic bearish for today, right? Um, and uh, especially because we broke below this key level as well. And I'm gonna show you some structure that also presented itself, right? In the 5 and then in the 1 minute, right? So we had the yellow algo, right? Left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, right? And then another right shoulder right here, and then give us that break, right? So pretty good. Even if you didn't catch all, you could have caught at least 3 points of this. So that's pretty great. I'm gonna show you that in the 1 minute now, right? So again, teal right here as well as the yellow, right? So the yellow left shoulder head right here, right shoulder off of yellow, pretty good break right here, right? Um, the market wants to grab the liquidity from the teal, that's totally fine, right? And then this is the second yellow break right here from here. So left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, and then in this right shoulder there's a microstructure of a right shoulder off of yellow. That's the break, right? So pretty good trades right here, as well as holding it, right? Although I would have liked to see clear structure, cleaner breaks, etc. Market will not always be the perfect picture, right? So you gotta really understand the algos, what's happening, and understand that we are in that pretty strong selling right now. And where also the support is, right? So understanding this is very crucial. Where the support is the 50-day moving average, right? Also, if you look at the daily chart, right, you understand we're at the basically the bottom. We're at the bottom Bollinger, right? So pretty great support on here. Buyers are here as well, right? So if you want to see some type of actual selling, we need to break below the 50-day, or again close this inverse cup. So to be actual short, right, for a possible swing or anything, right, you want to wait for this cup to close, inverse cup to close, and then reject off of right here, right, the 50-day, and then push down, right? But also you need to see the 5-day moving down as well. 5-day has to move down with the price, and the price has to retest the 5-day, then move down, right? So let's see what happens tomorrow. Might be a choppy day, or if the selling will continue, we will have a deeper selling, right? But to be short fully, right, we did taper at the bottom right here, right? So we do have the liquidity for some possible reversal um, on the right shoulder, right? Right, so you gotta look out for that, right? So you gotta really look out for this. I'm gonna make this blue. We can easily have a reversal from here, left shoulder head, right shoulder, especially from the 50-day bounce, right? So you cannot be fully bearish yet. There is a good chance of a reversal still, right? Um, just wait for the 50-day to at least be some sort of resistance, right? Uh, so the 50-day is right here. Wait for the price to break down below the 50-day, retest 50-day, and then hopefully the 5-day moves down as well below the 50-day, and then we get a 5-day retest, right? So I don't think it's gonna happen tomorrow. So we just gotta give it some time, or let's see what the market presented itself, right? But today was a day we were actually looking for, and the beautiful structure all throughout today. Um, if you understood the large context, um, and if you understood the selling that we were in, right? This red selling. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. But if you are headed down again, you want to wait for the basically the break below the 50-day, right? And use the 50-day as some sort of rejection right here, right? And then move down, right? So that, and this is a pretty safe area. So there is a lot of support right here. So be careful that you are not shorting it till without confirmation, right? And you want to see the confirmations before you take the short, aka using the 50-day as some sort of resistance. But again, if you're headed up, pretty easy. Um, the market could just be building the liquidity needed to go up, right? So we need to see some type of right here, right? Uh-oh. Right, so we need to see some type of um, left shoulder head, right shoulder right here. You want to wait for the cup to close right here at 572 first, then go up, right? But again, we have this huge gap, so if we are headed up tomorrow, it will be a strong move up. So get ready for that. But if we are headed down, you want to wait for the confirmation, such as the retest of the 50-day, and using that as a rejection before we even consider taking swings or possible long-term holds, right? So wait for that. Don't have any biases, right? This is a key support level, so let's just wait for the market to test this level at least, right? Um, and then this is a great support level as well. That's what you should have looked out for your targets today, right? Um, but yeah, so see you guys tomorrow. Trade with the structure, and yeah.